So the other day, I got issued a margin call from Robinhood, and I had to pay about $5,000 something to cover it. But guess what? I'm not paying it. And let me explain why. So it started with this email at about 10 o'clock at night that came in. Resolve your margin maintenance call. I have to pay $5,000 something to resolve it. I'm thinking that's weird because my margin buffer was like 30 something percent. Like I have a healthy margin buffer before that money goes down, where Robinhood, my brokerage, will, call me up, email me saying, hey, you got to pay us money to cover your margin call. So I'm wondering what the heck's going on. So I contacted their support, trying to figure out what's going on. And then I contacted support. They got back to me in like 1 minute, chatting with a real person. We're trying to figure out what's going on. Looks like I got a Regulation T call, email come through a little bit later. And then an hour later from the initial email, this email came through and it's like, everything's clicking now. Microsoft $415 put assigned. So what this means is that the Microsoft underlying stock of that option was below that strike price. So someone went ahead and assigned me on that. So I was forced to buy $415 times 100 shares for $41,500. Now I don't have that money. So how this works is that this is only one leg of a 2-leg spread. This was a put credit spread on Microsoft. So because I was forced to buy at the $415 price, then automatically they exercise my other leg, that other put, at the $410 strike price. So this was a put credit spread. I received a credit to get into this deal. It went below my upper strike price, and I was assigned and forced to buy 100 shares of Microsoft at the $415 price, but I have that downside protection at the $410 strike price. So they automatically sold those 100 shares at the $410 price, which, if you notice, that is a loss, a max loss of $5, which is the difference between that times 100. So a max loss of 500 shares plus whatever I received as a credit at the very start of this deal to get into it. So total loss is 400 something. So anytime if you get an email of like a margin call or Reg T call, then, don't panic. Just give it a little bit for all those emails and notifications to go through, because they're still processing things. And so, I don't know where they got that initial $5,000 something amount that would somehow cover this. I'm not sure how they got that, but this is normal part of the option process. This deal moved against me, but it's okay because I knew at the outset my max loss would be just the difference between those strike prices. $5 times 100 shares is $500 minus whatever credit I received to get into it. So then max loss is $400 something. So that's this is what could happen in options trading. So something to be aware of. So thank you for watching. And if you like this kind of content, please give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.